Go.
I just want to
Go.
do the whole thing. Say your introduce.
Hi, I'm Juliana.
I'm Frankie. I'm Briley.
I'm Ashley.
Cyrus.
Okay, you guys need to like make sure you're looking at me.
Okay.
But okay. All right. Food is the beginning of every process in our bodies. We need food to survive. Everybody knows that food is important, but let me explain to you why it is important and the benefits we get from food. So food is composed of macromolecules such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are monosaccharides and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides are simple sugars like fructose, galactose, and glucose. This orange is an example of a monosaccharide because it is a simple sugar. It has a lot of fructose in it, which gives it its sweetness. And our polysaccharides are our complex carbohydrates, and those are made from monosaccharides. We also have proteins, which are made up of many amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. And then our fats are also known as triglycerides, which have one glycerol and 3 fatty acid tails. Our bodies use these macromolecules to survive. How we use carbohydrates is for energy. Through cellular respiration, we use glucose, which is a monosaccharide, to produce 28 to 32 molecules of ATP. This is energy, and we need this. And for our proteins have many, many functions, such as transport proteins. We have our structural proteins, for example, keratin in our hair. We also have our enzymes, which work for metabolic processes like digesting. And we also have our defensive proteins, like our antibodies. There are many more functions for proteins, but those are very important survival proteins. Our fats also give us the energy we need when our glucose levels run low. And it also provides insulin for us to keep us warm. All of these facts about macromolecules and their functions can all be found in the Campo Biology textbook. Also, according to medlineplus.gov, our body needs fats for brain development, for blood clotting, and for inflammation purposes. But too much or too little of these macromolecules can result in serious health issues. For example, if you have too much, you can become obese because your body will be storing all these extra calories that you don't use as fat. And the more and more you eat over your calorie limit, the more fat will be stored. And according to Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, a BMI of 30 or more is considered obese. By undereating, you can also have serious health problems because when you undereat, your body will go into starvation mode and it will try to store as much fat as it can, and that will result in abdominal weight gain, and also your metabolism is slowing down to conserve as much energy as it can, and your body will be eating away at your muscular tissues in order to provide amino acids for itself to continue to build enzymes and all the other proteins that we need. So in all, as you can see, macromolecules from our foods is very important to survive, and we need to continue to feed ourselves with these because it is important for our body and for our health. Thank you.